everybody, welcome back to the channel. Got another pickups video. Right here is a laptop cooler. Got it from Amazon. Said it was new, but judging by the box, I don't think it's new. So I believe this one has 6 fans in it. I wanted to get fans in multiple spots because I got different types of laptops. So as you can see right here, this one has a LCD screen on it also. Control the fan speed. Little clips right here to keep the laptop in place. These are the fans on the back. Let's see. Alright, and this is the little bracket. Oh, I might have to take this back. This looks like something that goes to a RGB light or something like that. Yeah, I might have to take this back. Well, let's plug it up, see if it works. I suggest you get these if you use your laptop for an extended period of time and just keep it on there. It is not worth going through what I went through. The keyboards melted on one of my older laptops. Alright, let me find a plug. Alright, so I plugged it up. I am not seeing where that light went to. Maybe it was here. So it looks like this has 6 levels, 1 through 5, and then you got a max. You can change the colors on the side. That's a nice little touch. I'm gonna grab my laptop. My laptop has too much stuff plugged into it, so I will grab my daughter's old laptop. So I definitely can feel like the airflow around it. This laptop doesn't have like that much pockets for airflow. Like, but if you have like a gaming laptop, definitely well worth it. Yeah, so I would recommend this. I'll do another video, a follow-up video in about 2 months to see like how it held up. I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna take it to work and use it, bring it back home and use it, you know, knock it around, check the durability. So this is I'm gonna say 3 is probably the sweet spot where you really don't notice the sound. But yep, thanks for checking out the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Peace out.